If Photoshop is giving you error 131, the good news is that this is usually not a permanent problem. In most cases, it happens because the Adobe installer has corrupted files, leftover components from an old installation, or a broken Creative Cloud setup. In this video, I'll show you the most reliable way to fix Photoshop error 131 step by step, and I'll also show you a quick fix that sometimes works if you want to try that first. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get started. First, let's understand what error 131 actually means. This error usually appears when Photoshop or another Adobe app cannot install properly because the system still has old Adobe files in the background. It can happen after an incomplete previous installation, a failed update, or a corrupted installer cache. So the goal here is to fully remove the broken Adobe components and then reinstall everything cleanly. The most reliable fix is to uninstall everything Adobe from your computer first. Open your settings or control panel and remove Photoshop, Creative Cloud, and any other Adobe apps you may have installed. Make sure you get rid of every Adobe application because even one leftover component can keep the same error coming back. After that, the next step is to run the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner Tool. This tool is designed to remove hidden Adobe files that normal uninstalling often misses. Download the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner Tool from Adobe's official website, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. When the tool opens, follow the prompts and select the option to clean all Adobe products. This is one of the most important parts of the fix because it removes the leftover installer data, hidden files, and broken registry-related components that commonly cause error 131. Once the cleaner tool finishes, restart your PC. Do not skip this step because restarting helps clear any stuck background processes and make sure the cleanup fully takes effect. After your computer restarts, reinstall Adobe the clean way. Start by installing Creative Cloud first and let that finish completely before installing Photoshop. Then open Creative Cloud and install Photoshop from there. If possible, right-click the installer and run it as administrator, so Windows gives it full permission to complete the setup. In many cases, this clean reinstall solves the problem completely. Now, if you want a quick fix before doing the full reinstall, there is one extra thing you can try. Press Windows key plus R to open the run box, type %temp% and press enter. This opens your temporary files folder. Delete all the files you can from that folder. Some files may be in use, so if Windows tells you to skip a few, that is okay. Clearing temp files can sometimes remove broken installer leftovers and help Photoshop install correctly. After clearing the temp folder, try the installation again. If it still fails, go back and do the full uninstall, cleaner tool, restart, and reinstall process because that is the most dependable solution. If you are still seeing the error after that, double check that no Adobe app is still installed and make sure Creative Cloud was installed fresh before Photoshop. In most cases, error 131 is fixed by removing the corrupted Adobe files and starting over with a clean install. So to recap, uninstall all Adobe apps, run the Adobe Cleaner Tool as administrator, restart your PC, then reinstall Creative Cloud and Photoshop cleanly. And if you want a fast extra step, clear your temp files as well. I hope this video helped you fix Photoshop error 131 quickly and safely. If it did, please give the video a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.